Today I am just going to do a very different video. I'm going to show you a tool that I use in order to come up with my tags. It helps upload thumbnails and things like that. It's been a very useful tool, and I just want to show everyone basically in this video how to download it and how to get it set up onto your system. So here we go. I actually saved the link on my Genie channel into the About Me section. I'm just going to copy it right here, and I'm going to just paste it into the browser. This is TubeBuddy. I just saved the link there for the purpose of this video. So I'm just putting it in there right now. Just waiting for it to load. There it is. So basically here is the site, and it says in the red button there, install for free right now. So you just go ahead and you hit install free now, and just wait for it to load. There it is. Okay, so here it is. Here's the basic one. It's right here, TubeBuddy. This is used, as you can see, by millions of users, millions plus users. Just click on add to Chrome, and it's just checking for, it's just my malware checker, making sure that it's a legit site, and it is. You're going to get a pop-up that's going to ask you to either cancel or add extension. Make sure you add extension, which I'm doing right now. It's just downloading. It just takes about, doesn't take very long, depending on your system. So on this main page too, it has a lot of information. There's a video there. We'll go into that later. Okay, so it says basically you're going to create an account. So to create an account, you just go in the upper right hand corner and you click the sign in page. So up here at the top it says sign in. I'm just going to move my screen a little bit so you can see sign in. And I was already logged in to my YouTube account, so it's going to automatically come in, but it's probably going to ask you to put in your information, but sign in with Google. And since I'm already signed in, it didn't ask me to log in. Now this is not my account. This is actually my boyfriend's YouTube channel. He doesn't really have much on his channel. He only has a couple silly videos, and he's not really pushing, but I'm just using his as an example just to show you guys how to download it. And on this page here you also have other information, join the community, things like that. On this launch pad, it is another useful tool. Uploads your checklist, things you got to do for when you're uploading a video, but we're going to go into that later. This is basically showing you how the tool works very quickly. I'm going to go to his YouTube channel right now. That's already signed in, and I'm just going to pull up one of his videos. He only has a couple videos that he posted a while back. So on his dashboard here, you can see he has 69 subscribers. His most popular video was Mr. B Sucks, 368 views. So I'm just going to go bring it up on YouTube. I'm just going to go over here and bring it up on YouTube so I can show you the statistics on it. Alright, yeah, we're not going to watch it. Alright, so now you'll see in the upper right hand corner, the TubeBuddy's not signed in, so you just click on it. It says thank you for installing. Put in I read privacy, subscribe to TubeBuddy for updates, for everything, keep up with the updates, sign in with YouTube, and on your information. Yep, and then you allow all the analytics and manage your YouTube account. It's a very safe, as I said, it's a very safe tool. I use it. A lot of big YouTubers use it, and it's free. The basic one is free, and it'll help you out. Now, as you over here, it tells you all the analytics on the video: how many views, how many likes, how many dislikes. As you can see, he got a lot of dislikes. This is the important one here, the SEO tool, Search Engine Optimizer. It's telling me his score is 25. Now 25 is not good. You want it green, you want it 100. Basically, it has a list of things. He doesn't have tags in his description. He doesn't have tags in his title, and the tags he has in there, he doesn't have a keyword. Words and title, words, and description are very poor, and the tool will actually help with that. So we're going back in here. The tool also shows you a breakdown of how well your channel has been doing in the last 28 days or even the lifetime. The reviews you got. You can go into each one of these videos and you can check them out. And it's a very useful tool. I use it. I've been using it for the last couple of months, and I find it's really helped me with my views. My views have been going up. As I said, I've only been using it for a couple of months, but so far it has been trending upwards. It has been going up in the right direction. So this tool has been very helpful. Here I'm going to show you if you guys want to do an upgraded version. It's $7.20 a month if you pay for a whole year. Now if you go over here and if you put I have less than 1,000 subscribers, you actually get it for 50% off. If you only want to pay monthly, it's $4.50 as opposed to $3.60. Originally it's $9 a month if you pay monthly, but half price it's only $4.50. And here's some, has the edit bar, links to the menu, you pick emojis, advanced embedded video. There is some pro tools you can use limited. It gives you access to, you can use so many times a month. And just so you can kind of check it out. The version I have is the pro version. So as you can see, the pro version, you can do a lot more. I am going to do my next video on information with the pro version. But for the basic version, most of you guys starting out, it will be fine. Just for you can see where your tags are at, what your videos are at, and that's basically the gist of it. Thank you everyone for coming in, and if you have any questions, I am going to be doing a live stream on every Wednesday with small creators watching videos. And if anyone has questions about the tool after downloading it, I'll help them with their tags and anything else. Again, thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.